Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a different style video than what I would usually do, but it was super fun. So it's actually around 7 p.m. right now because I was editing and realized I forgot to do an intro, so here it is.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
So I've been seeing these chalk kaleidoscope things around where you lay down painter's tape or masking tape and then you color with chalk on the inside and then you pull up the tape and it just reveals like this really cool design with all these straight lines, and it's super cool. I've been seeing them around my neighborhood and a lot of my friends have been doing them, so I decided, you know what, I'm bored, so let's do one. So I called up some friends and we decided to do one. It took us 6 hours to do this, but it was totally worth it and it looks super cool. So here's the process. So we're like hungry, so I'm gonna go make mac and cheese. We just finished coloring all of it, and it looks like really cool. It's really colorful and stuff. after 6.5 hours. There it is. I just wanted to see her.
Oh, watch out for cars.
Oh, there's my shoes. Haha. Dang. Oh no! So much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment what you'd like to see next. I will tag Nora and Sophia in the description below so you can check them out. See you next time.